Hello friends, again I'll show you today how to create a 3D graph, surface graph and wireframe in Python. So surface graph and wireframe graph work on gridded data. The take grid value and plot is it on 3D surface. So this is the type of 3D graph we are making in Python. So just we are starting over here. Okay, so first we are making 3D surface graph, and second one importing let me just interrupt. Okay, importing Python libraries, then import file from mpl matplotlib tool kits, import mp matplot 3d, then import numpy as np, then import matplotlib dot pyplot as a plt. So three file we have to import, and then after that we are defining surface area and axis. Okay, so first we are taking variable, suppose we are taking variable of xx which equals to np dot outer. Now np dot line space -2, 2, 10, then comma np dot ones. Okay, and should be 10. Okay, so first we have to define surface area and axis, which axis we are working on here. Now next we are taking variable yy is equals to our variable object dot copy and dot t. So t method we are using t. So before okay, now again variable is zz, we are taking over here and putting np dot cos of xs square 2 plus yy square power function of 3. Okay, then we just draw figure, 3D figure. So figure is equals to plt dot figure. Okay, so now figure is equal to plt dot figure. Then we are using syntax for 3D plotting. So 3D plotting syntax जो है वो we have to write axis dot plot surface xs comma yy comma zz, our object variable is here. Then c map, color map is equals to viridis, viridis, and comma edgecolor, edge color equals to blue, then close and then enter. After that, axis of set title. Okay, now we are writing surface plot of Umax. Either we are writing here. Okay, so plt dot show, and then first we have to save this file. Okay, surf surface plot 3D, and then try to run. So output is numpy has no attribute. Oh, sorry. Let me yes, simple O, small o should be there. Now x is not defined. Ax is not defined. Let me check. This is ax, and already axis is yes. We are syntax of where is the syntax? Axis is not defined. We are putting surface area z figure dot plt, and now syntax of 3D plotting. We are missing one value. Ax is equals to plt dot axis projection equals to 3D, and then putting plotting syntax, and then try to run. Yes, this is the safe surface plot in 3D mode. You can see that. Okay, these are the axis is moving here and there. Which one is our depend on our coding, whatever coding we are giving. So it is just all the code should be here, and we can design surface plot of that one according to our syntax and proportions and ratio, whatever files are giving. So please like that, subscribe that. Thank you, have a nice day.